Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we're going to be talking about Hedera, aka Hbar. So sit back, relax, and before we fully jump on into this video, I do just want to ask guys to please leave a like on this video. It does help the channel grow immensely, and of course I always do greatly appreciate it. And of course, if you do find any of the information in this video valuable, useful, or interesting in any sort of way possible, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on to never miss a future update. But with that being said, let's just dive in and let's talk about Hedera. So obviously, we are seeing Ethereum break back up over $3,000, which is great to see. We are also seeing Bitcoin hold above 41K. That's very significant. The next target point for Bitcoin is 44K. Please be aware to watch that level closely on Bitcoin. If we break above it, we are going to surge in price. Now, Hbar. In general, very excited, very happy about the price action, just not exactly that bullish just yet. I want to see us break back up above 35, 36 cents around that point, which will be very good to see. But we have been hitting some resistance up at the 26 cent level. Trading volume still down about 35%. We need a little bit more volume overall, but overall, okay, because I know that I just said overall multiple times, I've been holding these levels very strong. So, I'm awaiting to see if we could break back up above 30 cents. I think if we target 30 cents, it'll probably be next week. Of course, we have to watch the indices, now because, of course, we are ranging into the weekend. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. I hope everybody's having a great day or night, wherever you guys are. But, of course, we have a long way to go for Hedera, a.k.a. we need a daily close above 35, 36 cents, around that point. Even if we go back to the historical data, we don't see a nice closing point above like 36 cents. We haven't seen that for a very, very long time. I mean, we're talking about like pre-December timeframes. The last good close that we had was actually around like November 23rd, November 24th, but it was honestly a crashing close. Like we were having like 40, 42, 43, 45 cent days. Like these were like the good points on, Hbar, and ever since we have not had a strong close. So we haven't had a strong close in like over 5 months now almost. So in general, we want to see us back above those levels, and we actually want to see a good close above 35 to 36 cents. But we have a lot of stuff to look forward to. So first off, we do see here, I'm actually going to open this in a new tab here, but here's an Hbar secret for all of you, just between us. Are your bags full of cheap Hbar yet? Corps are currently loving these giveaway prices. Mainnet update today, smart contracts 2.0 live. Oh, and hello April, damn. Did I say that out loud? April 2022. So guys, please pay attention to what is happening here because this is getting very interesting. Own Hbar. If not, you know what to do. April is only a few weeks away. And we do see here, again, builders want it. The Hbar Foundation is partnering with Outlier Ventures to launch 8 to 10 new projects on the Hedera network this April. Outlier Ventures, the Hbar Foundation are partnering to launch the Hedera Basecamp program to accelerate 8 to 10 projects building on the Hedera network. This partnership will accelerate the growth of Hedera network and will funnel in a range of new founders onto the open metaverse. And of course, we do see here that they are looking for many things in terms of XR immersive experiences, gaming, NFT and NFT tolling, smart contract tolling and middleware, founders building, sustainability, solutions including circular economy, smart city tolling, carbon abatement. Also, this all goes hand in hand with everything that we've been waiting for in terms of those smart cities. And of course, micropayments, pay-as-you-go services, affordable banking. I mean, this is so incredible. This is extremely bullish as well because this is 8 to 10 projects in April. And of course, we do see here Smart Contracts 2.0. Again, this is coming from experienced Chief Executive Officer, African Data Technologies. And of course, she is mentioned, very exciting indeed. Can't wait to show the world what we're busy planning with Hedera as our trust layer. And of course, when we're talking about this is getting very interesting. And we do see here, I'm looking to use Hedera for a possible worldwide standard application. Was wondering, how the change in who owns the Hashgraph IP could affect that application. Of course, these individuals want to build. These are incredible people as well. Like these are individuals that are chief executive officers at these major companies. Do not take your eye off the ball, guys. This is a huge game changer. Massive amounts of updates to come in April. April is the big month apparently, because now we are seeing 8 to 10 projects going live. We also see a lot of updates still left to happen this month, next month, and even April. We do see here there has been so much work done in the Ethereum space in terms of staking and farming. We want to take that knowledge and apply it to Hedera, build it from scratch, and make it mind-meltingly amazing. Now, this is coming from DOVU. This is coming from the technical hype officer at DOVU as well. We just hear, I think there may be some confusion here. Christian is referring to DOVU CTO comments about the upcoming staking program. DOVU is a sleeping giant within the Hedera ecosystem, folks. Don't miss out. Yes, this is true. DOVU is huge, guys. Please pay attention to DOVU. So I actually have this open over here. This is introducing the DOVU staking program. Pay attention to DOVU. I really want you guys to all make sure that you have DOVU on your watch list, because guess what? I talked to you guys about this. I want to say it was pretty much in the beginning of January. I remember it specifically. It was like around this time frame. I think it was like 1.5 cents. So it was actually around here. It was like the middle of the month. So the reason why I bring this up and the reason why I'm talking about this is because this was at like 1.5 cents around this point. And look at where we are now. We hit 3 cents already, and this is going to continue to rise. I mean, look at the circulating supply, less than 1 billion. Okay, staking is going to be happening, $25.4 million market cap. This is a massive gem. Holders are piling up as well. You know, we've seen, holders back here at some, nice, decent areas for 5,600, but we're still at like around 5,500. But we do see that this has been on the rise since around the beginning of January. Now, in terms of the prices here, you can pretty much see where the prices were at going back as far as like 2021. These were at like 5 some cents, even 12 cents up here and stuff. So please be aware of how fast this asset could move. Could this be an easy 10x opportunity to 27 cents? Easily. This has a ton of growth left in it. And of course, if you guys don't know what DOVU is, you definitely need to do a lot more research on them. They're doing some incredible things, especially within the Hedera ecosystem. Farming solutions, there's a ton of stuff here. Carbon marketplaces, carbon calculators, carbon market cap, liquidity pool. Please pay attention to who DOVU is. They are doing incredible things. Of course, tons of partnerships as well. Crypto Climate Accord, which we know is with Energy Web Token. I've talked to you guys about Energy Web Token on a day-to-day basis, almost back, last week. Incredible project as well. Guys, pay attention to DOVU. There's so much left in store, and I do believe that this is also an incredible opportunity. Also, we do see here today on Hedera, Ubisoft joins GC, sets up a Hedera track into the Entrepreneur's Lab. Smart Contracts 2.0 launches. EVM smart contracts are now 10 times faster than alternative blockchains. Tyson Fury tweets his Hbar NFT date, Mingo apps. DOVU official staking, all in a day's work. And this is the truth. We're seeing so much happening within the Hedera ecosystem. It's truly crazy that we're still at around like 26 cents. We have so much left to look forward to in this year. I'm very, very excited for what's going to unfold this year alone for Hedera. We have been seeing some incredible overall announcements. We've been seeing incredible overall partnerships. I'm very excited for where Hbar is really headed this year. And also, we do see here FIS. So we have actually talked to you guys about FIS on a multiple occasion, but India's head of banking expects CBDC rupee based on a blockchain tech to increase efficiency and lower costs. Reminder that FIS Global is a Hedera GCM along with 3 other members directly from India, IIT Madras, Wipro, Tata Communications as well. No brainer, Hedera is involved here. Now, we don't know if Hedera is involved. A little bit of speculation, but of course, a blockchain-based digital rupee may be heading to India, and FIS India head of banking. Of course, is this going to be Hbar? Who knows? It could be very interesting, very fast. If you guys don't know who FIS is, you should definitely look into them. If you guys don't want to look into them, don't worry, I did it for you guys. Check it out. $10 trillion plus moved annually around the globe. This is per year. 73 billion plus transactions processed around the globe. 18,333 plus clients. I don't know if this is actually up in date. Let me refresh this and make sure that this is actually up to live. because I believe that this was like 20,000. Yeah, so there we go, 20,000 plus clients. And this is an incredible company. They have a ton of use cases, from merchant solutions to banking solutions to capital markets. This is a huge giant in the space. Again, GC member of Hedera. They are utilizing Hedera for some incredible things we've talked about in the past. We've really kind of speculated a little bit as well. I do believe that FIS is a huge puzzle piece, especially if we're talking more so about this, tweet. Are they utilizing Hedera here? Who knows? It could get very, very interesting very, very fast. I would not be surprised at all. Would you be surprised? I'd love to know your comments down in the comments below. But also, last but not least, I do want you guys to all pay attention to next Tuesday, aka February 8th. They're going to be talking more so about the launch of Smart Contracts 2.0, and I think that this is going to be very interesting. And of course, they will share the latest features released integrating Hedera token service, and of course, the future roadmap. This is going to be very interesting to say the least, and I think that we should all kind of tune in here and really listen in and talk more so about this when that day comes. I might do a live stream on that day. Don't know if I will be able to. Of course, this might be a little too early for my liking, but of course I will report on this if the news is very significant. I do believe that it could be, especially if we're talking about the future roadmap, and Smart Contracts 2.0 should be everybody's forefront right now in terms of the next big thing, because this is actually revolutionary technology for the space, and I do believe that's going to allow Hedera to really take over at a rapid pace. So to wrap this up, to really kind of just give you guys an insight, definitely check out DOVU if you guys haven't already. I know that a lot of you guys are probably going to say, where can I buy DOVU at? Well, currently, right now, there's only a few places, and Uniswap is pretty much the only place that I could get it as well. Again, yes, paying those gas fees does suck, but that's pretty much the price that you have to pay to get in early on some of these projects. Again, if we're talking about DOVU, I do believe that this is going to be a very interesting project. Definitely do your own research if you guys do want to get into DOVU. I've talked to you guys about DOVU multiple times on a different occasion, especially even going back like just 1 month ago, even like a few months ago as well. DOVU is a very incredible use case. Definitely doing some, very incredible things as well. So definitely take a close look at DOVU if you guys are interested in getting, into another, asset as well, similar to, Hedera, because hey, guess what? They're both partners. They're both doing incredible things. So with all that in mind, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe to notifications on if you guys want more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. Of course, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are. And this has been Nick. Peace out, guys.